Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question. Question number 19, NEET Physics paper 2014. Students, let us solve the question number 19. It is about the mean free path of molecules of a gas. The mean free path of molecules of gas of radius r, each molecule is having radius r, is inversely proportional to. It is a very simple question that mean free path is when one molecule is in a gas, the molecule will be in random motions. Suppose that this molecule will go and hit this one and then move toward this side and hit another molecule. Though these molecules are not fixed, but it might be in collisions randomly one after another. This is an instantaneous position. So the distance between two successive collisions here, this is known as free path. Similarly, second time this collides, this is called free path, and this is another free path. The mean value of these free paths, mean, which is given by lambda 1, lambda 2 up to n number of such free paths divided by n. This is called mean free path. The average or mean free path of a molecules of a gas with radius r, how this mean free path is related to the radius of this gas molecule. Now that there is an expression or formula for this, the mean free path is given by 1 divided by root 2 pi d square n. This is the formula that is used, root 2 pi d square n, where d is the diameter of the molecule. D stands for the diameter of each molecule, and diameter is 2 times the radius. So d equals to 2r. If I substitute here, then I will have the expression lambda mean equals to 1 divided by root 2 pi d square is 4r square into n. This is the number density of the gas molecules. Now, if I relate this lambda with r, because it talks about how this lambda mean is related to r. Now you have to find. These are the options. You can see that lambda mean in r is related like this. Lambda mean is inversely proportional to square of radius of the gas molecule. So I can write that the lambda mean is inversely proportional to square of the radius. So is inversely proportional to square of radius. This is the correct answer. It should be inversely proportional to r square or directly proportional to 1 upon r square. If the question is how this lambda m related to r, the answer is it is related to directly proportional to r is to minus 2, but inversely proportional to r square. Okay, so according to the question, inversely proportional to r square, this is the right answer. Okay, thank you.